So, our story for today is about those people who love asking men for money, and then when the man wants something in return, they're like, why don't you just help me? Was there anything else you wanted? Okay. Guys, this man is not your father. So that this man can give you money for free. Only your father can do that. He's not your brother. He's not your cousin. So why are you expecting that this girl will give you money for free? And you start even complaining that the man is disrespectful. Huh? When he was giving you money, did you not see the disrespect in him? Hmm? You just want things for free and you don't want to be accountable for it. Like, this world these days is give me, I give you. Huh? Scratch my back, I scratch your back. So, you don't expect someone to... You don't expect to be living on someone else's bill, and you don't want them to ask anything in return. They have been helping you, they have been kind to you, they have been giving you things. Maybe they are not even giving their relatives, like money. They have been buying you cars, they have been buying you houses. So, you must at least give them something. Yeah, even those young guys, yeah, who goes for sponsors, women sponsors, so that they'll not be doing any work. Inside that house, I'm sure there is something they're doing. Like, I'm sure it's them that always do the laundry, do the cleaning. Yeah, so that that money comes so well, you have to be doing something. Maybe you go and work for him as a maid, so that he can be giving you money and not asking you for something else. Or you want somebody to give you a job. Okay, and the person tells you that I want something else. And you're giving out this something else, and at the end of the day, this person doesn't give you that job. As in, don't just be very, let's say, cheap. If somebody tells you that you should give them something else so that they can give you a job, don't just agree to that, because this person may not give you a job, or if they give you a job, they'll make your life so miserable. And if they'll not make your life miserable, after 1 week they might fire you, and you'll be there out there not having a job anymore, and you have given what you're not supposed to give. And worst of all, maybe this person recorded everything and they leaked it. See, because I don't think anyone who has something else is good. Those people are always bad people. They can do anything to destroy your reputation. They can do anything for you to get fired. They can do anything for the world to know how bad you are. Because if they were good, they would not be asking for something else. So, anyway, like, subscribe to this channel. And guys, I'm just telling you, don't let somebody cheat, lie to you that if you do this, somebody will give you a job. That's so, how do they say that?